Hi there. I hope your preparation for Math Olympiad is going well. And today in this video, we are going to learn how to solve a question of grade 5 of battery quantitative. So let's start. So the question that we have here is the date 010305, which is read as 1st March 2005, has three consecutive odd numbers. Okay, and this is the first day in the 21st century with this property. How many days with this property are there in total in the 21st century? All right, this is very interesting question because this particular date here shows a very interesting pattern if you observe. Now this particular date has three numbers, 1, 3 and 5, and these three numbers are consecutive as well as they are odd. So these three numbers are three odd consecutive numbers. And like that, we have to figure out how many days like that are present in 21st century. So our first set of odd consecutive numbers is 1, 3, 5, which is already given to us in the question, and the date corresponding to this set is 1st March 2005. Now like that, we need to find out how many consecutive odd numbers like this exist, and corresponding to that set, how many dates will be there in the 21st century. Now after this set, I can think of the next set as 3, 5 and 7. And the date corresponding to these numbers will be 3rd May 2007. Now the next set will be 5, 7, 9, and the date corresponding to this set will be 050709, which is 5th of July 2009. Now the next set will be 7, 9, 11, and the date corresponding to this will be 7th September 2011. Now next set will be 9, 11 and 13, and the date corresponding to this set will be 9th November, year will be 2013. And the next set will be, now this is where it becomes interesting, next set will be 11, 13 and 15. And the date corresponding to this set will be 11, 13, 2015. Now this middle number 13, this represents the month. But do we have a 13th month in a year? No. As we know that in a year there's just 12 months, so there is no possibility of a 13th month. And that is why we cannot take this particular set. And that is why the total number of days that we have is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So our correct answer is 5, which is option number A. So I hope you understood this question, and trust me, it is going to help you a lot with your preparation for the upcoming Math Olympiad. So thank you so much. Bye-bye.